Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's fried rice. First, the secret to perfect fried rice is using day-old, cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Next, prepare all your ingredients by chopping them finely and having them ready to add quickly. Finally, heat your wok or large pan to a very high temperature before you even think about adding oil. This high heat is crucial for that authentic stir-fry flavor. Once your pan is smoking hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and quickly sauté your aromatics, like minced garlic, ginger, and a touch of chili for a kick. Next, introduce your protein, perhaps some diced chicken or shrimp, and cook it until it's almost done. Then, toss in your vegetables, such as peas, carrots, or bell peppers, and stir-fry them just until they are crisp tender, retaining their vibrant color and crunch. Now it's time for the star, the cold rice. Add it to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure even cooking and distribution. Next, drizzle in your sauce mixture, typically a blend of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil, ensuring it coats every grain. Stir-fry vigorously, tossing everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the rice to get a slight char and absorb all those incredible flavors. For the final touch, push your fried rice to one side of the pan, add a little more oil, and quickly scramble an egg. Once cooked, mix it into the rice, distributing it evenly. Garnish your delicious fried rice with freshly chopped spring onions and a final drizzle of sesame oil for aroma. Serve immediately and enjoy. And hey, while you're checking out the description for this recipe, be sure to look for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. You won't regret it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.